Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, let me show you what I did here with Microsoft and the play I went for on the earnings. Now the last couple times I've played earnings on Microsoft, I've gone with call options and I've gone with strangles. This time I ended up going with simply buying shares of Microsoft. And the reason I did that was because even on good guidance, at least this has happened to me before, even on good guidance and positive news, Microsoft ends up selling off and people taking profits. Now, today I ended up buying 100 shares of it and I paid $232.13 for each. Now, the reason I just simply bought shares instead of options was because I could take the profits at least after hours doing this. Now, that is the reason I went with shares this time. Now, can Microsoft go higher tomorrow? Of course it can. Oh, let me show you actually the sell order. I was trying to get filled right around 245, but I kept lowering the ask price because it was dropping. And so I ended up selling all 100 shares at 242.85. So I made a little over $1,000 right there on a day trade. And that was pretty, it was pretty nice. But right now, Microsoft is at 239 as we speak. Again, I never depend on these charts here on Robinhood. I'm always looking on TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform. And the reason I ended up going with shares again was just simply because I could take the profits after hours if the price of a stock went higher. And it did. Now, did I make as much as I could have made? 1,500 or so, because at one point it was at 246, 247. And I was trying to get filled and the price just started dropping, and so I ended up just selling. So $1,000 on a day trade is it's not bad at all. It's pretty nice. But right now we'll see what happens in the morning, and if it does go up even higher in the morning, I won't feel as bad because I already made some money at least. Take the profits, get in and get out, and wait for another opportunity. But I wanted to share this video with you guys to show you guys the play that I did and why I did it with Microsoft that way with shares instead of options this time. So I hope you guys like this video, and until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.